You'll need unsalted butter, tomato paste, chicken broth, ginger, garlic, cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, chaat masala, whipping cream, yogurt, 2 pieces of chicken, and brown sugar. Mince up all of your garlic and then set that aside. Then mince your ginger. Cut your chicken into small cube-sized pieces. Set your Instant Pot to saute for 3 minutes and then add in the butter. Put in your garlic and the ginger together, and you'll saute this until fragrant. Now add in the tomato paste, and then put in all of your dry ingredients, all the spices, and a little bit of salt. Add in your chicken broth and then mix. Alternatively, you can also use a hand blender or you can just put it in a blender. Now add your chicken and pressure cook on high for 5 minutes. So once your chicken is cooked, now you can add the whipping cream and the yogurt. This is when you can add your sugar. Mix it and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. I put mine on saute, but I put it on the lowest setting as like a simmer option for the Instant Pot. I paired mine with veggies and garnished with a little bit of parsley.